Hey everybody, Standale, President, Florida Suncoast. Hey, it's dark out here. Just got home, trying to get a video out for Carol this week, and we have a lot on the slate coming up. Let me see if I can go through this rehearsal real quick, and then I got some really cool news for you. The 29th, Sunday the 29th, we have the breakfast in Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte. On the next weekend, the 3rd and the 4th, Friday and Saturday mostly, we have the HSR at Daytona Drive-On. If you haven't got your tickets yet, you need to get those, or you can set them up at the wheel call window. But we're taking the trailer, the tent, the cooks, and everything like that. There's not a lot of folks registered yet, but I'm encouraged. Let's see if we can get at least 10 cars out there for the Daytona Drive-On. So the same thing. Then we have just on the same weekend, we've got the Sarasota Cars and Coffee on Saturday on the 4th. The next week, the 11th, we've got a couple things going. I think we got 3 events going on the 11th, and then we've got 2 events, and I think that's Naples Cars and Coffee. I think there's a Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Venice, I believe, is what is on there, and then the Lakeland Cars and Coffee. That's what it is. Naples Cars and Coffee and the Lakeland Cars and Coffee on the 12th, and then on the 12th we have 3 different events going on across the state. Just take a look at the calendars down below. It's so much anymore, I can't remember everything that's going on. Hey, just want to shout out to all the folks that went on the mountain drive this past week, last weekend. What a blast, it was good. Look for it. We're getting ready to send out exclusive invitations for those folks that went. They get a couple of days, they get to November 1st to enroll for next year. And then we'll open up whatever's left. The first 55 folks that sign up will be on the next year's trip. It's sold out this year, folks, by March, and I anticipate this one will sell out even faster. If you want to do the mountain trip with us, you got to get in early. It's a 2-step process. You got to RSVP with Florida Suncoast chapter through our website, and you have to call the hotel and make your reservations. So that's how it happens. It's a 2-step process. Okay. Some really cool news. I got an email today. I'm not going to tell you their names. I'll do that next week once it's been made public. But I'm real excited, just totally stoked. I'm going to give both of these members a call. 2 of our members have won the BMW off the BMW drawing. I think one won an M2, and the grand prize M3 went to one of our Florida Suncoast chapter members. So 2 Florida Suncoast members won in the drawing this year. Woo! Is that way cool? I'm just really stoked, and I can't wait to talk to them on the phone. And then I'm going to try to set up a personal interview, and can't wait to see the cars. That'll be just really cool. But I just got the message today that Florida Suncoast racked up in this year's drawing, and bringing two new BMWs back home to the fold. So just a really cool thing. Wait till the next time and get in there. You never know. Could be you. Could be you. So a lot of things going on. We're going into the holiday season. We have a lot to do between now and the 18th of November, and then we'll take a little bit of break for Thanksgiving, and then we'll be back a little bit in December, and then we get to start the whole year over again. So we're looking forward to that. A lot of things to do. If you get tired of shopping, hopefully we got an event close to you can go check out. So until then, we'll see you soon. Happy motoring, y'all. Bye now.